In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with setting up and using your trading account on TradingView with tradovate. For those of you interested in diving into the world of trading, this platform offers a seamless integration with tradovate through TradingView, allowing you to analyze charts and execute trades efficiently. Let's walk through this step-by-step process so that by the end, you'll feel confident in navigating the setup and getting ready to trade. First, you'll need to ensure you have access to TradingView, which will be our main platform. If you don't yet have an account with TradingView, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process. Head over to their website and follow the prompts to set up your profile using a valid email address. For those who already have an existing TradingView account, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, your main destination will be the TradingView chart area. This is where most of your analysis and trade executions will take place. On the chart page, keep an eye out for the Trading Panel tab. You'll find this located conveniently below your chart area. Clicking on this tab reveals various brokerage options that TradingView supports. For our purposes, locate the tradovate logo within this trading panel and select it. After clicking on the tradovate logo, you'll be prompted to choose between a live or demo account. Select the demo option as it is perfect for familiarizing yourself with the platform without any financial risk. You will need to input your demo trading account login credentials that Topstep TM provides. It's important to enter these details accurately to ensure a successful connection. Once filled in, look for the blue Connect button and click it to proceed. Now that you're connected, the exciting part begins. You can begin accessing your trading account directly from TradingView. Take a moment to explore the available features. You can select which account to trade from, ensuring you pick the correct one to work with. Trading settings might also be adjusted here to suit your preferences and trading strategy. Additionally, if you're interested in using a DOM or depth of market module, you can easily add it. Simply click on the head and shoulders icon located within the red box of your screen. At this stage, you're all set and ready to begin your trading journey. Remember, using a demo account is a fantastic way to practice your strategies and gain confidence before engaging with real funds. TradingView, combined with tradovate, provides a robust toolkit for traders looking to enhance their skills and refine their approach. That's all for today's guide. I hope this has been helpful and that you're feeling excited and prepared to start trading on TradingView with tradovate. Happy trading, and remember to manage your risks carefully.